the people want. Let's give them. Me, I don't see this one. This one make the right thing here. Let your police officer change back to what you were wearing. Let me go. All the things that the government, the metros down, get the picture, everything. Oh no, I'm not happy. Take the picture, you take the inventory of everything. Let the media carry it.
Ola olo, ola o va finulo, ola wo, ola olo, ola wo, o va finulo, ola wo. Tonyeto nkonyenye kimpobzi cho PMF Creative Studios. Male highway chokle gbakata ontonya makromi koyde tajevu shika ma miagara wovanu senior high technical school nye joye ba I want to barafu ndudu iko kona school view adongu iko kona school ndudu iko kona school ba no dana school view mi adara ka sika yevugbe mo yone ba metron na ikanya mi ka kona school view pa ndunya ojo me shoga ba arugbo poga ba school view de ka na ho aido makra ka na ho sandin de ka kra kinki o move bobo aya o mo wieve galiviare sukliviare nguviara nyongu ya anyama ika apote enwa paganto aro ya manware akpave entoto alore afi sukua ha aro sukuvi on hoto ko le ma pa man vavama makaraji bo nyongu ya no nya ho no afo ya renkle skuya ho afo jinwa ya no renkle skuya ho ko anyangi ka ma pa man vavama karia shiraji rori ko ngi jo nya ba aga dagbare hu yimaka ukoyinara e ofam aro afiko kona agba ukoyina hu ko aga wina na ma yimaka ma pa man vavama amadu unonya sam ho ba o nyongu ya no fo ya dam ga ka onya ba fiafia na mali ashi uko chokan agbo ba malayo o damarogba koko to fugba bano sanyara ko nuna yonya arono kotojina assemblyman ko acho eva yi wagere gbama enyi ka okotojina assemblyman abe mi adaya aga afor marama kan aroga da nduru avu sikanya skuviu pa ndudu a divu ko inara yo fa maro ko inara fio yina ako ngi ka ga jingole wona yo kata menya be yo driver alo avua taxi o dagbe avua kula bovito nyacho aho ntoma ko anyangi ka jingo anyika gomo masa na ala bana mi adoto yevugbe wa mara do le video up background ma agba let your officer wear back what he was wearing afia ba bovito ma picture ro dagare screenage na mi akpo ika ashitu ofifi la afia shika ko dar tajavu bovito pa tanopa ika ngoma kukura ka varo ojiga kplio kona foyolia amiari kplio konya haika jingo manya wovanu senior high technical school kameko ni afore ano jimlo no mi gara school mafia no mi gara school mafia secondary school mafia avi komiafa because no the government have given the food items to be cooked or to be served the student, but our so-called some of the matrons have opened shops from the government's foods item that are meant for the students. Like, if you think about it, you can't even think far. You wouldn't think madness. I don't get the whole thing. Something that is meant to be given to the student, you, for your personal gain, for your selfish interest, you've diverted part of the food items to your so-called stores or your so-called hideout or whatsoever. Who does that? This is very appalling. This is very hideous. I don't even know the adjective that I'm going to use from the highway to describe this satanic and demonic attitude of some of our patrons. Same way some of the schools too. You see, whenever they are opening admission to some schools, they will ask the student to bring brooms, bring this, bring that, By the end of the day, the student will not even see the daylight of those items. It will be in another person's store or another person's room, especially those detergents that they use to scrub bathhouse and those brushes and stuff. These things are going on, and this woman and his people and her corporate will be served as a scapegoat to others for them to see this and repent, because this is very appalling. This should be first and last. It's very disgraced, Charlie. It's very disgracing. Man, who does this? Who does this? Charlie, the highway. This is PMF Creative Studios, and I go by the name KHINGPOPZZY. I'm not a happy soul because of this. Charlie, peace.